And finally, some words about analysis of commodity currencies from the part of FutureTrend channel. Today is 23rd of April 2018. As you can see, the United States dollar is in a strong demand at the moment because of rising yields of United States government papers. The 10-year United States yield on the United States government paper treasuries are approaching the major threshold of 3%, and a subsequent closing above should accelerate the overall bullish trend in the United States dollar. Anyway, we should also be ready for a kind of risk aversion sentiment rising, because, as you know, higher real United States interest rates should translate into dampening effect on United States stock markets. So from that point of view, the further appreciation of the United States currency should be more or less limited. As regarding the commodity block of currencies, here the situation is abruptly different comparing to the middle of last week. As you can see, the Australian dollar is again under the selling pressure right now, and in the nearest future could retest its longer term uptrend line located around 76.25. A subsequent break below this level should translate into lower levels for this kind of pair. We increased our position at 76.60, bringing it to 76.85 at the moment. Let's say the truth, let's see. The average price in the Australian dollar is at the moment 76.90. We still have a stop below 76.20, and we will use an opportunity of another testing of moving average 200 lane located around 78.14 to lock in profit. As regarding the Kiwi dollar, here the situation is also not so positive for the pair after it was very close to 0.74 level during the previous week. The pair is two figures lower right now and is ready to retest its moving average 200 daily line located at 71.83. We'd like to caution you from overpositioning in the currency, because a subsequent closing below this moving average 200 daily line should also, from technical point of view, translate into lower rates for the currency. As regarding the dollar Canada, here is situation maybe not so bad for the Canadian dollar. We also would like to pay your attention on first of all Australian Consumer Price Index, which should be published during overnight hours today, and also we'd like to mention the speech of Bank of Canada's Governor, Mr. Paulos, today, closer to the end of the session. Also, we pay your attention on the words of these policymakers, because it will be very important how he will react to the last rather good domestic Canadian economic numbers, and how aggressive he will be regarding the future pace of tightening from the part of Bank of Canada. All in all, we suggest that sooner or later the dollar Canada will be back under the pressure, but in case to really change the situation into bearish side, the pair should break below longer term ascending trend line, which located around 23.50, 23.60 at the moment. And finally, some words about the Russian ruble. Here we suggest that this kind of pair should remain in the wider range between 65 and 60. Any kind of retreat closer to psychologically important level of 60 should present for you a kind of buying opportunity. See you later. It was your Future Trend channel, and bye bye for now.